Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm you have a Microsoft account and the product key or active subscription. Open a modern browser and sign in at Office. Make sure you use the account tied to your license. Once signed in, locate the Activate or Install button. This begins the activation handshake with Microsoft. If prompted, enter your 25-character product key or select your subscription. Do this first to link the license to your account. It prevents activation conflicts later. Now install and authenticate. Download the installer from your Microsoft 365 portal and run it as administrator. This ensures proper file permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts, choose language, accept terms, and let the installer complete. Once installed, open Word or Excel and sign in with the same Microsoft account you used earlier. This step triggers the app to verify your license online. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the licensed one, since mismatched accounts cause activation delays. Finish the process by checking File, Account inside any Office app to confirm it shows product activated. If it doesn't, sign out and sign back in, or use Change Account to pick the licensed profile. Sometimes re-entering the 25-character key resolves it. If activation still fails, run the Microsoft Activation Troubleshooter or contact support. Have your account email and key ready. One key tip: clear cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.